Imagine waking up to find your Instagram account compromised, your personal memories and connections seemingly lost. Hi, I'm Alex, and today I'll guide you through the steps to recover your hacked Instagram account. First, go to the Instagram login page and click on Forgot Password. Enter your username, email, or phone number associated with your account, then click Send Login Link. Check your email for a login link from Instagram. Click on it to regain access. Once logged in, immediately change your password to a strong, unique one. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. This requires a code sent to your phone each time you log in. If you still can't access your account, report the hack to Instagram through their help center. Remember, acting quickly is crucial. Follow these steps to recover your account and protect it from future hacks. Always be cautious of suspicious emails or messages asking for your personal information. Stay safe online.